Oh, what up? What up? Switch accounts. Switch accounts. Switch accounts. Going for it. Come on, grab that. Free trade. That's how easy a free trade is. Free longs, baby. What up, Flip? I'm just setting this stuff up. Over 22,000. I'm gonna grab. I'm
Order
going
filled.
back in, and I'm just gonna hold. Hold. Can't hang out for long because I'm not feeling too good. Dude, I didn't think the numbers were that great today either. So Trump comes on and talks about tariffs today at 1 p.m., just so you are aware. This thing can go real south come 1 p.m. That's what I'm saying. Numbers sucked yesterday. Numbers suck today. Dude, I'm moving this up. I'm moving this up to take profit area. I'm just going to keep moving it up. Lock in those gains. Gainesville. That's what I think. Trump comes on at 1 and starts talking some crazy shit. This market's going to unload. Numbers weren't good. I just don't see it. I am going to if we get back in the hourly opening range, I without a doubt am going to holy shit. Yo, what up, CT? I'm just looking. Man, if we get back below 963, that'd be a great sweep. I can look. It didn't even trigger yesterday. Tilt is near. Dude, this thing is wild. Here you go, Zadia. Yo, I made a huge mistake today. So I played PPI accidentally in a funded account. So this funded account is up $4,353. So I'm going to have to get about 10 grand in this account. The only good part is the drawdown stopped. But I'm going to have to play that 50K as if it's 150K. Want to flag and hit it and then take it to the pivot. Dude, it's moving all right. It's definitely doing something all right. Wait, you mean 17,000 this year, or is that your all-time earnings? That was last month. That's with everything in the market last month. Well, not everything. I didn't include like my retirement money that I made and some other crypto shit that I made. But yeah, that was last month. I mean, just, just keeping it going. Damn, up four. Oh, dude, there's no consistency rule, bro. I threw that shit out the window. I didn't realize I was trading PPI with a funded account. What happened was when I set up my copy trader, yeah, I'll even show you how it happens. It's so stupid. So I set up my copy trader in Flowbots today. So I chose this account and I chose this account. And I didn't even realize when you scroll all the way down, this was turned on from yesterday. So I got, I made it. You could trade news in a PA account on Apex. Yep. So, but the issue is now I have to bring that account to basically $60,000. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Obviously, yeah, yep. I could wait until another news release, obviously, and hit it with another news release. Or I can just start trading for, for bigger, longer gains. No, I'm gonna I'm going to see if I can take it to over 60,000. If I take it to over 60,000, they're going to owe me a fuck ton of money. So it'll be cool. It'll be a little challenge. I mean, I paid the lifetime, so it doesn't go anywhere. I just got to make $60,000. I got to make $6,000 without losing 4,000. So we'll see what happens. About to take that account to the house. I also passed the My Funded Futures by holding gold last night. My Funded Futures rebuild me, and I just went all in on gold. So I was 1-for-1 My Funded Futures. I'll have another funded account tomorrow. Yo, what up, Visible? Well, yo, Island Boy, what is it? It's 40%, right? 40% consistency rule? Yeah, I think it's 40. It was 40%. Did they change it? It's been 40%. Let me see. Apex Trader Funding Consistency Rule. Oh, dude, is it really 30% now? Yo, I think it's 30%. Daddy's going to have to make a lot of money. Yeah. The 30% profit guideline is not set in stone for traders who follow a specific system. Yo, I got the system. Okay, well, I'm just going to have to earn a lot of money. Got that 9 bounce right there. Just gotta earn some money, man. Just, hey, you know what? It'll be a good challenge. I gotta get to 13,000. The good news is I am 4,300 on my way to the 13,000. Got to look at it on the bright side, man. Auto deny. Yo, I'll definitely apply for a payout just for the fucking shits and giggles. 1,000%, I'm gonna apply for the payout and be like, yo, Apex, where's my payout at? Hey, man, it was a mistake. I did it. The account, if you look at it, the account was actually under 50,000. So it wasn't like an account that I was ready to get a payout on. You know, if I was ready to get a payout, I would be fucking pissed. But I wasn't about to get a payout. It was kind of a brand new account. And it is what it is. Just a bigger buffer. Yep. Bigger buffer for the pushing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and I'm not worried. I mean, also I passed 3 out of 5 evals today as well. Passed. Did I fail this one? Was this? I think I failed this one. So I'm also 3 for 5. So, and then I'm done with evals in Apex. The only reason I got evals is they rebuild me on a Sunday and I forgot to look. So I'll just keep trading these Apex accounts and just day by day, 100 and 190, $200, just slowly just gain them up, just trade trade my system, scalp, and that's it. I would really like to I'd love to work these accounts up. I might take a short here. Tight fucking stop though. Did I not do that in a fucking funded account? Fuck me. Why would... Oh, so stupid. I wanted to take that in my pro account. So stupid. I'm not going to lose the money. I just go with it. It was meant to happen. It was fate. It was meant for me to make 4,300 in the account. And I just live with it. I'm not worried though. Honestly, I'm just going to trade it like a 150K. That's all. What's up, George? What up? What up? Damn, it's fucking cold in my office. Trump speaks at 1 o'clock. Dude, it's 60 degrees in this place. Yo, Josh, what up, player? What up, what up? Walter the Goat's in the house. Trump speaking. There we go. There we go. I don't want to see this. Good, man. I passed 3 out of 5 evals, and all my funded accounts are up. All these funded accounts, these are up. This funded account is not up. This funded account is down just a tad. And I passed this today on gold. Dude, I might be... Yo, if they already took my P&L out, is this a funded account already? Are they giving me a funded account? Bro, today was good, man. Sean, today was awesome in the morning. Do I already have a funded account? Ah, dude, they took my account out. I guess they're making the account right now. Today happened the same as you yesterday on PPI. I made some changes today. Oh, check. Want to see how... I don't want to see how lucky I am, but watch this. I'll go to one of these I passed. I copy traded these. Yo, you could see I literally got the top. It sold me out right here at 97. Fucking money. Money. But I passed. Yeah. How entertaining is Twitter right now? Twitter's awesome. I took the long, saw it on the profit side, did not fill, take profit. Why didn't it fill? What happened? Was there a reason why it didn't fill? How do I like Volumetrica? I'm not making decisions on Volumetrica, so I'm just hitting a button. I'm just hitting a button to buy or a button to sell. You're going to dump this thing or what? Dump it. This is the candle to dump it. Come on, man. Fuck yeah. Boom. Just freaking stacking it. I'll tell you what, you know what's in play right here? 50 points above the hourly trading range back down to the top. I will play this without a doubt. The bounce off of, well, it's 22,000, but I would have played it anyways. It went way over the 60 ticks. Yo, Walter, I would take a screenshot and send it to him. It's so fucked up that that happens. Like, that's not right. Oh, baby. Are they going to rip it? Even though it looks good and whatnot, I'm not interested in. Let's see what we got. Dude, this one that shows previous week high, previous month high, I'm loving this. Loving it, loving it. This is definitely ramping up here. Why did I play in that account? I still like it. As long as it holds above here, I still like it. I think I was just too fucking tight. Definitely too tight. Definitely too tight. Look at that. I don't know why I do that sometimes. Also, a shit entry. Jeez, I bought it up there. Trump speaks at 1, so I would watch all your positions come 1 o'clock. I like that it's back over the 9. See what happens. I'm just putting my orders in. See what happens. Yo, what up, Lee? I'm just watching. I want to see it sell back down. That's honestly what I want to see. Here we go. making some money today. Come on. So I've been playing gold. Gold's been cranking. Wish you could trade on a combine like I trade a practice account. Yeah. What do you get? Super tight? You get tight, like your stops are tight and stuff like that? Gold might trigger a sell here. I may or may not. We're going to see how gold plays out, but if gold triggers a sell, I am going to grab gold short in one of these accounts. This is where my orders are for a dip. If we dip. What do we got here anyways? Gold's been stuffed basically 3 times at 29.50. Seem to always do well and just pick the wrong trades, and over trading is a big problem. Yo, over trading is a big problem a lot of people have, man. I will say, once you get to like 200 bucks up in a day, I would probably just stop and then see how you do that way. So you're not like, oh, I got 200, now I got 300, now I got 450, and then you lose it all in one trade. You know, just stop. You know, that's why I stop with a lot of my funded accounts. Like I go up 200 bucks, like these accounts are done for the day. You know, there's nothing worse than being up 200 bucks in a funded account and then just trying to push it more and then blowing it. Tired. I mean, we get over 43. This would look pretty good. I'm willing to take it with a tight stop. Tight stop. This isn't like a great trade or anything. It's just one of those things that if we can get over, I think it would test the high a day or whatever this high is. But no. Is that it? Is this the top is in today? You know what would be the ultimate short is if this actually is the top of the day, this was the bounce, and then when you go back under 22,000. Patrick and Rips went to members only paid chat today. So what do you got to pay to chat in the chat? Like, do you just have to be a free subscriber or do you have to actually pay? Dude, that's crazy if you have to actually pay to chat. $5 to fucking chat? That's wild. That's fucking crazy, man. I know I keep trying this, but I think my stop is just too short. It cut down on chatter in there. PW did it because he went on tilt and nuked funded accounts power hour yesterday. So he nuked accounts, so he's making everybody pay for it. Is he making everybody pay for his new accounts? Fucking wild. Dude, that's crazy. That's wild, man. I mean, listen, I'm sure he's going to make, I don't know, $20,000, $30,000 off of people a month. But I don't know, man. I would never charge people to talk in my chat. I tried to set up that like members thing, but for free, and you can't do it. I was gonna set it up to just be like free and give symbols next to people's names and shit like that, but I couldn't do it for free. Your card is blocking subscription type transactions. Why? Too many evals? You think he'll sell about 1,000 of them? Dude, that's wild, man. Like, you're making enough money. Just fucking relax. You're making more than enough money. Bro, somebody called me and left a voicemail. It's just music. Yo, OnlyFans, baby. Come on. I would love to see us retest 22,000. You got to call a credit card company and say, yes, this is my 18th account I'm loading up today. Just let it fly, baby. Let it fly. Got to run that on the burner card. Dude, I came across this site. Check this shit out. This is right up my alley. I don't know if it costs money or what, and I haven't even looked at it really. So before anyone jumps down my throat, they have all these fucking stats on the NQ. like hourly stats. Opens inside prior hour, takes prior hour high or low, and then trades back in the current open hour. All these stats on the NQ, where if this happens, you know, what happens? Look, takes prior hour high, trades back in the hourly open before it ends. And then you got to read all the stuff. But I like trading on stats. So that website is fucking right up my alley. You know, I like my trades to be backed. The bigger trades that I take backed by stats. Like if you took this trade today, this was one I back tested. We traded outside the 15-minute orb today. When we swept back in, I took this short. That was such a perfect short. But that trade, I did a whole back testing video on. And I made money on that. They push in your face. I had a couple quarters disappear over there. Yo, I heard them jiggle. Did you see it when they subscribed? What? Oh. Have I looked into statistical arbitrage? No. What is that? I'm interested though, Visible. What is it? Dude. Oh, man. Trump talks at 1 p.m. So prepare your buttholes for that one. I would say you're either going to rip it or drop it. But I love stuff like this. I'm actually going to read it while I eat lunch. Got flipped off from the main stage. Yo, statistical arbitrage. Where can I find that? Is it like on a website where they list everything out? Oh, buying futures and selling stocks? No. I've been to what was it, Sapphires in Vegas. It's like dude, I was there a while ago, but it was like a massive warehouse. I was actually there with one of them. I was actually there with probably one of the most well-known, not the most, but probably a top 20 well-known UFC fighter. We went over there and we hung out all night. We were there. I went to I'm trying to think of the name. The guy was a BMX rider. We went to his house in Vegas. He's got a whole BMX course in his backyard. I think he was on Cribs also. I'm trying to think of his name though. This is 20 years ago. The UFC fighter, it was Dan Henderson. This was like 2007. Super chill guy. Super chill. They have the hottest strippers ever. Dude, what was the guy's fucking name I went to? Dude, he had a whole BMX course in his freaking backyard. Yeah. Oh, if you look at the day chart, we are literally hanging at make or break it levels. Yeah. We've been in chop for a while. Super long time. I saw Chuck Liddell at the SHOT Show in Vegas 2 years ago. He was there, and he was there with like 2 other guys. I mean, it's either going to break out or this is definitely the rejection point. I'm kind of hoping it's the rejection point and come back down, but I don't think so. I just got an alert. What the fuck did I just get an alert on? Oh, fuck. Did I just do that? So stupid. I thought I was in the NQ on this account. I just realized that was gold. Jeez. Well, that sucks. I'm just going to let it ride. Yeah, I'm a fan of the OG fighters. Yeah, I've been watching it. I've been following UFC for a real long time. Dude, this thing actually fucked me. I'm doing too many accounts, too many things. I'm actually gonna stop out of this. Hold on one second. My alarm's going off again. There's something wrong with my alarm. I just realized I got the alert, but I didn't. I got the alert, but the candle didn't close, so it didn't confirm. It didn't stay, and then that's exactly what happened. I keep forgetting that you gotta wait till the candle closes. In the current open hour example, 10 a.m. hour opens inside the 9 hour. It takes 9 hours historically. Dude, that's an interesting stat. Yeah, it's definitely bullish without a kind of looking like you're flagging here, to be 100% honest. The only reason I was jumping in was I was getting an alert on these candles, but the alert didn't stick. So you got to follow your rules. What up, bull breakers? Basically, out of every 100 trades, you should expect a certain percentage of outcomes. Yeah, I like that. That's very interesting. The 10 a.m. the 10 a.m. hourly candle opens inside the 9 a.m. hour and takes the 9 a.m. high, historically there's a 72% chance that the price will trade back to the 10 a.m. open. That's interesting. Now I just realized the market is a fraud and pieces BS. It's just about patterns and momentum. Yeah. It's definitely about momentum. They're going to actually let this go, or are they just going to? I mean, this has been the support pretty much. I just don't see them really dropping it. I'd love to see it come back down. Let's see if it comes down. I long NAS with my eyes closed. That's hysterical. Dude, I mean, listen, I want to know what the stat is if you long the NAS every morning out the gate. Bro, this is my third call. Love? That's the third spam call I've gotten in the last fucking 5 minutes. $21,800 close. Damn, Keith. Yeah, I'll tell you what, we get below. Dude, that'd be a wild freaking, that'd be a round trip. Pay your bus fare. That'd be crazy. Just round trip this whole thing. If we round trip, I would say that we're going to be heading south tomorrow as well. Yo, what up, J Money? Did the gold contract change today? I'm using J. I'm using J. I don't know what you're in, but J is the one. Way too early to call that. Yeah, I didn't call it. I'm just saying that if we do round trip, the daily would probably bring us down tomorrow again. The numbers weren't good though. I don't understand why we're even up. Yesterday's numbers were hot. Today's weren't good. I just find it to be very interesting that the market's up. But remember, you got Trump at 1 o'clock, and it literally says he's talking tariffs. It's literally saying Trump is talking tariffs at 1 o'clock. So just so you know what he's going to be talking about. He's going to be talking some wild shit. I mean, I'm leaning that way. I wonder if it starts dumping into it. Oh, fuck me. I didn't mean to do that. Well, See what happens. I would assume you're going to get some type of 2,000 bounce. Yeah, well, I mean, these are my buys. I might buy it early on one account, just in case they don't bring it down as far as I want. Just in case they don't bring it down as far as I want. I want to at least get a little fucking taste. You know what I'm saying, guys? Just like that. Like they didn't bring that down as far as I want, but I still got 200 bucks, 100 bucks. You know, I still get my beak wet. You know what I'm saying? They dropping it. I'll jump it early in this account too. We'll see what happens. Well, here we go. Are they going to bounce this shit or what? Somehow I got fucking stopped out. Damn, I almost got stopped out in the pro. Yo. Damn. I mean, listen, if you're going to bounce, to me, that would have been the spot. I just feel like if you're not going to hold, like, if you're not going to hold here, like, I feel like it's going to be fucked. Yeah. They're not going to hold it. That's crazy. There's no 22,000 bounce. Not only is there no 22 bounce, I'm not shorting this though. I could see them ripping it right back over. But wow. Wow. I mean, the next logical spot would literally be all the way down at 950. That or they're going to take it back up. But I'm shocked that they brought it this low. Like, I would have thought, oh, wrong account, wrong fucking account. I can't believe they didn't give us a 22 bounce where it would go to, like, I don't know, 20 points up, 30 points up. Insane. I mean, Trump talks at 1, so this might be the pre-sell for the Trump news. I'm just getting out of that. I have a feeling they're going to bring it back up. By the way, this is like half size, one account. Like, I'm just in such shock that we didn't get a bounce at 22,000 at all. Move my stop up. Just moving my stop up so it becomes like a free trade here. Get back over, man. Get back over. Do I want to add here? I come on. Show some balls, market. RFK is confirmed for what? The health secretary? What is he confirmed for? I'm just taking that. Yeah, health secretary. Dude, people that don't realize what he's about, like, he's literally about getting rid of all the shit in your food. Like, I don't think people realize that. I think people just hate him to hate him, and they don't actually know what he's about. Yeah, bro's jacked because he eats fucking healthy. You know, people just don't like him because of, you know, free longs on gold. Dude, my gold short. I'm just going to cover this gold short, by the way. I accidentally bought it. It's going to be interesting. You know what I find fucked up, though? Is if you look at this, like, say, like Lucky Charms, right? If you look at Lucky Charms in the United States and then the one that they sell in other countries, the other countries, they have to take the die out. Why are they not doing that in the US? It makes no sense. No sense. I don't know. I think there's a lot of things that they need to fix up. Yeah, that's what I don't get. I don't like, why is the recipe is not the same? It's freaking crazy, man. That's what I hope he fixes. And I think that's what he's going to go after. Stuff like that. You know? Oh, I just did this in the wrong fucking account again. I don't know why I keep doing that in that account. I find it interesting that we can't hold 22,000 though. Yo, ribs were good. If I get stopped out, it's a small stop, but I find it interesting that we can't hold over it. Do you really think so? I seriously agree that a big move is coming right here. This is either the big bounce point that brings us up through the rest of the day, like new highs, or this is going to be the fucking dump. You're long. Like, I do think if they can hold above 22,000, this is going to continue up, but it just fucking It just, market only goes up. Is that it? Market only goes up? Yo, as soon as I buy, market will go down. Dude, I can't believe the trade desk is down 32% right now. My stop is this bottom. Khalid, I'm up. All the way up. Nothing can stop you. I'm up a bunch too. If it was a hot buy, dude, it can't go any higher. I hate flip-flopping over and under 22,000, to be honest. Like, let it rip above, and then we say, okay, the trend is up. But, like, it almost looks like they're going to pin it at 22,000. To the moon, baby. Diamond butt cheeks? Is there any other type of butt cheeks than diamond butt cheeks? Got to have them diamonds. I don't know, man. Honestly, I think it's going to dump into Trump's speech. I think he's going to go talk some wild shit, to be 100% honest with you. I think you're about to get a wild-ass Trump. You get a tariff. You get a tariff. Everybody gets tariffs. And I'm going to hold, as long as this high doesn't get touched, I'm going to hold this for the rest of the day. I probably got stopped out. Oh, I thought I got stopped out already. Oh, geez. I thought I was done. If this bounces a little bit, I'll just take my loss, to be completely honest. My whole bias is we dump into Trump. That's my bias is we dump into Trump. I'm just trying to see if I can get back some of my money here. I'm out of that. Trump comes on in an hour and 15 minutes and he's talking tariffs. I cannot see how that can be bullish. It just can't be bullish. It can't. Red, white, blue land over Greenland. Like, I don't understand how it could get bullish. I just don't see it. Not taking a gamble. Not taking a gamble is always a gamble. You're gambling, you're gambling, missing, losing trades. It's always a gamble. Ukraine is toast. I assume Ukraine is going to have to give up whatever they lost. Let's be real. They're probably not getting their whatever Russia took. Like, it's probably not going to happen. You know, I'm just keeping it real. You know, I would probably say that Russia's going to back out. That Ukraine can't join the UN, and they're going to keep and Russia's going to keep whatever they got, and that's going to be the end of the show. I do not see US giving any more money. Just don't see it. There's like videos of people nightclubbing out in Ukraine though. Like I don't even know how that's possible. Can't get over the 34. Bro, I see some. Yo, I don't think Taiwan is going anywhere. That would be freaking crazy. Dude, if China invaded Taiwan, that'd be wild. Yo, the markets will tank if that happens. Tank. This is basically a bear flag. Just, I hate that we're at 20,000 though. I'm only taking small size. I'm just curious. If we get a massive dump because Trump comes on, I want a piece of it. If we don't, we don't. That's my stop, though. Yo, what up, Horizon? I'm lowering my stop right there. Just seems like we can't get above. I mean, this could be a really nice freaking flush, like 40 points. Time to pop a Zin and shotgun an energy drink. Dude, that's wild. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But that's just my bias is short come Trump coming on. I just don't understand how it could be good when he comes on and just talks tariffs. I just don't understand. He comes on in an hour to talk tariffs and we're going to go up. It's fucking crazy. Need to get away from 20,000 though, 22,000. Need to get real fucking, need to get low, Little John style. Come on, push it down to the 200. Push it. Well, I mean, either way, it was nice. Yo, what up, Corey? You think this is the beginning? Dude, I mean, I'm with you. Watch them bounce it back up, though. I feel like they're going to bounce this back up a bit before they bring it down. Either way, if you followed, you made money. If you followed, you definitely made money. No denying that one. Get a little fucking bounce to do off the 200 here. Dude, that's fucking awesome. I did not hold. What was crazy was I stopped myself out. It didn't even hit the stop here. I should have still been in. Stupidity. I just gotta believe more in letting the play manifest and not just fucking getting out because I took a quick gain. Let's see if we can get a little bounce. Oh, I just got an alert. What the fuck did I get an alert for? Holy shit. I can't believe I didn't fucking hold this thing. This I blew earlier today doing fucking CPI or PPI. I'm looking for VWAP actually. Is this really where VWAP is? Fuck me. I can tell you exactly what we just did. Dude, we bounced to the fucking button. Look at that. We bounced at the fucking... So wild. If you have pivot points on your chart, I don't know why my chart wasn't up. You just had two fucking hammers. We're not gonna go up. Watch them make back this whole fucking move. Watch them make back this whole move. What up, Joseph? 4 green days in a row since I started really getting serious with TradeZilla. Going to the gym now and then shopping for a new stool. Yo, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. Hey, just stick with what works. No reason to go away from what works. Improper risk management. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little something with that. You know what I'm saying, Ray? I can't do anything today, but tomorrow I'm gonna start playing it big dog style. I got to get it to like $13,000, so we'll see what happens. It's definitely doable. You know, I find it to be like a challenge. No, I'm not gonna burn cash. Nope, I'm not burning anything, man. I'm coming after the big fucking. I'm gonna go and work that all the way back up to. I'm gonna work it all the way back up. I have not a problem in the world trying to bring that all the way back up to 13,000. What's up, Marie? I wish I could get the pivot points on this chart. That's a fucking, I just rode the momentum real quick. Go. Just make back this whole move right here. Go all the way fucking back. Push it. Target the 34, baby. All the way up. I'm not looking for a lot of money here. I'm not looking for a lot of money. Just give me a couple bucks. Couple shekels here. Come on. There we go. Come on. Keep it going. Yeah. It's awful. This is running out of steam. Yeah, it doesn't work. It's not the same. Yo. I'm gonna work up these take profit trader accounts. There we go. Pumping it. Pumping it. Well, I am going to go grab some lunch. I'm going to be back at 2 p.m. If you want to support the channel, use coupon code CoveTrader. I'll be back at 2. Things are going really well today. And hopefully I can turn around just a couple of these accounts. And that's it. I think this was pretty good. And yeah, it's only a few accounts I need to turn back. So go get something good to eat. And I'll see you back at 2 o'clock. And remember, Trump talks at 1 o'clock about tariffs. So just watch your butt. Peace.